Hello crafty friends, Jenni Lynn here with card making quick tip number 5. Do you have a collection of red rubber or clear stamps, kind of like this, and you're wondering how you can keep it all together and organized? Well, I've got a few quick tips for you in this video. So the first tip is to go back to the company that you purchased them from to see if they have some sort of collection card. For instance, this is from Tailored Expressions, and this is their 2026 Critter Crew. They have a double-sided laminated card, and every month they send a little sticker to go with the stamp. You place the stickers on one side of the card, you place the stamps on the other side. If the company that you purchase your stamps from doesn't have something like this, you can make your own. So here is the next tip. Grab a piece of 110-pound cardstock. Go ahead and list the company and the title of the collection, and maybe even the year. Then laminate it so that both sides are protected. Next, what you want to do is you want to decorate it, right? So take all of your stamps, go ahead and stamp out the images, color them, die cut or fussy cut them, and then use your favorite adhesive to adhere them to the laminated card. Now, because it's laminated, I do suggest some sort of double-sided adhesive tape or tape runner. So once you have all of your images on one side, go ahead and turn it over, take all of your stamps and place them on the laminated side, and now you have your collection. When you're all done creating, take the entire card and just slip it inside a protective pocket, such as one of these. And if you don't want to purchase these, you can make your own using a laminator and laminating pouches. In fact, I have a video that shows that, so I'll link that for you as well. So now your entire collection, the stamps themselves, and a colored sample of all of the stamps are neat, organized, and ready to go the next time you want to make some handmade joy for everyday moments. Hello, crafty friends. Thanks for making it to the end with me. I'm so glad you were here to share in the crafty fun. Here are a couple more videos that I think you might find inspiring. And don't forget to like, comment below, and subscribe. So until I see you in the next video, have a great day, and as always, happy crafting.